For an appliance that uses a CFC, HCFC, or HFC refrigerant, which of the following violates the prohibition on venting? A. Accidental releases associated with timely repair of an appliance. B. Refrigerants emitted when cutting a line without properly evacuating the appliance. C. Refrigerants emitted in a catastrophic failure of an appliance. D. Refrigerants emitted when connecting or disconnecting low-loss hoses to charge or service an appliance.
B. Refrigerants emitted when cutting a line without properly evacuating the appliance. The others are beyond one's control. If you are not ready to rate, please keep replying so we can wrap this up. You have paid for your consultation. I am not paid for my time until you rate. If you stop replying and do not rate, the question will time out and neither of us benefit from the money you spent. Thanks. Remember that you can still follow up for 30 days after rating at no additional fee. You should see 5 stars across top of page for rating. Until you rate, I will get notifications that I need to finish answering the question. Bonus is always appreciated but of course not required. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.